AI may not replace you, but it will expose you. I use AI every day, and it's never made a decision, not once. It handles structure, speed, consistency. It catches errors before they ship. It compresses what used to take hours or days into minutes. But it has never made a call, never taken responsibility, and never decided what matters. That is my job. I think this is a really important distinction at this juncture in history, because this is what I've learned from using AI every single day for the last 2 years. It doesn't replace judgment. It exposes whether you actually had any. If you didn't have any taste, AI will not give it to you. It'll just produce more of whatever you feed it. If you don't have standards, AI won't raise them. It will be faster at producing mediocre. People worried about being replaced are telling on themselves. If a machine can fully do your job, your value was never in judgment. It was in repetition, which brings me to something I'm seeing more and more. Coaches selling digital versions of themselves. GPT wrappers trained on their content. Chatbots that answer questions the way they would. AI assistants that give you access to their thinking for a fraction of the price. It sounds generous. It sounds scalable. It sounds like the future. And it's very often being sold by people as a make money opportunity. But I think this is what it actually is, an admission. A GPT trained on someone else's content gives you their sentences, their frameworks, their phrases. It does not give you their pattern recognition. It does not give you their ability to read your specific situation, their calibration across thousands of client conversations, or their judgment about when their framework doesn't apply. You're not buying access to their brain. You're buying a search engine to their old ideas. And that's a very different product. When I use AI, here's how it works. I supply taste, context, authority, experience, final calls. AI supplies structure, discipline, consistency, and speed. AI makes me faster at being me. It does not become me. It enforces standards when I'm busy. It surfaces clear calls instead of options. It keeps my voice consistent and it removes the edit loop. Plus, it's very good at remembering all of my frameworks and the depth of my material. But it never invents judgment. It never replaces experience, and it never decides values. It never takes responsibility. I don't know if you've encountered this, but often AI will give you a garbage result and it'll just say, oh, I'm sorry, too late. And that's the split. If you understand that split, AI is the most powerful leverage you'll ever have. If you don't, AI will expose exactly how little you were bringing to the table. Coaches selling digital versions of themselves have made their choice. I've made a different one. I use AI to move faster, but the judgment stays with me. And that's what I do in Mentor. It's not a course. It's not a chatbot. It's not a digital version of me. It's actual judgment applied to your situation. If you want the real thing, that's what Mentor is for. I check every single output and I customize every single input around you.